How to reset your TD online banking username. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you ever forgot your TD Bank online banking username, no worries. In this video, I'll show you how to recover or reset it in just a few simple steps. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for TD Bank. And now here on the search result, you can just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the TD Bank. Now here, once you see the interface like this, just click on the login button at the top right corner and here from the drop down menu, simply select online banking. And here, once you do that, you'll be prompted to the login page. Now here, once you are on the login screen, you simply have to select the option that says forget username and slash or password. So simply click on it and here on the next page, you simply have to select the username. And here, once you have selected the username on the next page, TD Bank will ask you the social security number and account type. So here, simply select or enter your social security number, and after that, you simply have to select the account type. And now here, once you're done selecting your account type, you simply have to enter your account number. So here, simply enter your account number, and once you're done entering your account number, you can simply click on continue. And after that, once you have confirmed and if your info is correct, TD Bank will show your username on screen or send it to your registered email address. But if you still can't recover your username, you can always contact TD Bank customer support at the number listed on the website for the extra help. And that's it. That's how you can reset or recover a TD Bank username. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.